Class 7th, Subject General Science, Chapter 6, Measurement of Physical Quantities, Exercise. Question 1. Write the answers to the following questions in your own words. A. Why is the weight of the same object different on different planets? Answer. Weight is the force of caused by gravity. The mass of an object is stays the same wherever it is, but its weight can change. This happens if the object goes somewhere where gravity is stronger or weaker, such as moon. The moon has less mass than Earth, so its gravity is less than the Earth's gravity. Thus, objects weigh less on the moon than they do on the Earth. B. What precautions will you take to make accurate measurement in day-to-day affairs? Answer 1. Accurate measurement must be depends upon its purpose. 2. An appropriate device has to be used for the measurement. 3. Measurement of substances that are precious or great importance and used in very small quantities or is done meticulously and accurately by using calibrated instruments. 4. Standardized weights and balance must be used in weighting. 5. While measuring, we need check whether the balance is stable or not. See, what is the difference between mass and weight? Mass, weight. 1. The amount of matter present in a substance is called mass. The gravitational force that acts on mass is called its weight. 2. Mass is a scalar quantity. 2. Weight is a vector quantity. 3. It does not change from place to place. 3. It is different at different places on the earth. 4. Gram and kilogram are the units of mass. Newtons is the unit of weight. Question 2. Who is my companion? Group A 1. Velocity 2. Area 3. Volume 4. Mass 5. Density. Group B A. Liter B. Kilogram C. Meter per second D. Kilogram per cubic meter E. Square meter. 1. Velocity 2. C. Meter per second 2. Area 2. E. Square meter 3. Volume 2A. Liter 4. Mass 2B. Kilogram 5. Density 2D. Kilogram per cubic meter. Question 3. Explain giving examples. A. Scalar quantity. Answer. A quantity that can be completely expressed by its magnitude alone is called a scalar quantity. Scalar quantities are physical quantities which have magnitude only. For example, length, time, temperature, density, etc. B. Vector quantity. Answer. The quantity that is expressed completely only when magnitude and direction both are given is called a vector quantity. Vector quantities are physical quantities which have magnitudes as well as direction. For example, velocity, force, momentum, etc. Question 4. Explain giving examples. The errors that occur while making measurements. Answer. Major caused of errors in measurement. Not using the appropriate device, not using the device properly, not using appropriate device. Shopkeeps does not use standardized device which may lead to error in measurement. Also, due to improper calibration, proper measurement is not done. Errors due to improper use of devices. Example, while measuring the oil, shopkeeper may not measure the oil properly. Question 5. Give reasons. A. It is not proper to measure quantities by using body parts as units. Answer. Body parts are not used as standard unit measurement because length of palm and hand are different for different person, which causes errors in measurement. B. It is necessary to get the weight and measures standardized at regular intervals. Answer. For proper and accurate measurement quantities, it is necessary to get the weight and measures standardized. Question 6. Explain the need for accurate measurement and the device to be used for that. Answer. Measurement is one of the most important and useful process in our daily life. Measurement means the comparison of a known quantity with some known or fixed quantity of some kind. It is necessary to standardize the weights and measures used in the market. Measurements touches almost every part of life. 1. Ensuring the safety and effectiveness of healthcare, diagnostic, and treatment. 2. Measuring the composition, energy value, and quantity of gas pipe to our homes or fuel in our vehicles.